Hello friend, my name is Noor Siddiqui. Today I gonna tell you how to rename computer in Windows 10 and how to join and unjoin a computer to domain infrastructure. Before joining a computer to domain, let's know what is Windows domain and workgroup. Domain is a client server networking implemented by Microsoft, while workgroup is the implementation of peer-to-peer network. Got it? As you can see, this is my desktop computer on which Windows 10 operating system installed. We will learn on this desktop computer how to rename computer and how to join computer to domain and how to remove a computer and bring to back into workgroup. This topic will be covered in this session. So let's learn how to join computer to domain and unjoin. In Windows 10 this is a very easy. You can do all these things from the properties, from the system properties of the computer. From joining a computer to domain, for joining a domain computer, just open control panel and search system. Click system properties. This is a system properties where you can see lots of information about your computer as well as operating system. Here you can see Windows 10 operating system install 2015 Microsoft Corporation, all rights reserved. This is a copyright operating system. It means nobody can copy it and use for a commercial purpose. In a system section you can see the processor, RAM and operating system bit. Processor is a CPU G2020 2.90 GHz speed and 8 GB RAM installed here and 64-bit operating system. Computer name is CC-239. Domain name is aitimlucknow.com. If this computer wouldn't have joined domain, this portion you will doesn't and nothing will happen here. You can you only see computer name and workgroup. For joining a computer domain, click change setting and click on change tab. Here you can see computer name, member of workgroup or domain. Because this computer is joined to domain, so a domain here aitimlucknow.com. If we want to unjoin this computer from domain, want to bring back to workgroup, just click on workgroup and put here name. When you click on OK button, it will ask you to enter domain administrator and password. Because computer is joined domain, you have to provide domain administrator name, domain administrator and password. After restarting, computer will join to workgroup and you will see here workgroup instead of domain. In same way you can rename the computer. Just put here name, whatever you want to put, and click OK. After restarting, computer name will get changed. So this is a process of joining domain and renaming the computer. So now after learning domain joining, let's know how to see computer configuration. First process I have already told you, just press Windows key and pause key. You will see this system properties window. You can see a lot of information regarding computer configuration, and directly from here we can go to device manager to see more configuration about computers. Here device manager, you can see lot of options are available here: audio input output, computer, disk drive, display adapter, human interface devices, ID, keyboard, mice, other pointing devices, monitor, network adapter, ports, com, print queues, printer, processor, software devices, sound, video and game controller, storage controller, system devices, universal serial bus controller. From here you can also update the driver of the devices. Suppose if we click on disk drives, we can see the company name of hard disk and serial number of it. If you want to status of this device, just right click on the device and see properties. You can see general, policy, volume, driver detail option. You can see event, if any error occurs here, driver provider, Microsoft, driver date, this driver version. You can see driver version, digital signature, signed by Microsoft, it means it's driver of Microsoft. And same way we can also check network adapter. You can see the status by right clicking and accessing properties of network adapter. In driver tab you can see the driver provider is a Realtek. Realtek is a company which manufactured this network adapter and digitally signed by Microsoft. If you want to update driver, just click on update driver. It search automatically over the internet, and any new updates available, it updates it. If you want to disable the device, just click disable. Want to uninstall driver of this device, click on uninstall button. We are not going to uninstall, so just cancel it. So printer queue, you can see the printer queue. Just select the printer, same properties is coming here. So you can also see the status of processor, Intel R, Pentium R, CPU G 2020 2.9 gigas. You can see it 2 entry of processor because it's a dual core. It has a 2 core of 2.90 gigahertz. That's why the 20 is shown here. So this is a console where you can see a lot of information about the computer devices, and you can disable, enable devices and update device driver, software, click, and can also see the status of device. So that's it for now. We'll learn a lot of things on the next session. Till then, bye bye.